URL submission, your website's pages URLs. And at the end of June, I started to manually submit URLs to the major search engines. I'm speaking about Google and Bing for now, for this example. And then I learned about canonical web pages only get indexed into Google. Let me show you what I mean by that before I move forward. If you visit storeby.shop, on the sidebar, letter A shopping, letter B shopping, letter C shopping. Yeah, I'll open one up. This is considered a this is a static page, but Google search submission tool considers it a canonical. On the canonical, there's a bunch of links. Those links don't get individually indexed into the search engines. That's why I started turning my websites into blogs. I have the best of both worlds. Let me show you that for a moment. Storeby.shop, I'm creating posts. Organic chicken cutlets and pumpernickel pizza bread were my last 2 posts. And every time I create a post, it produces a unique individual URL that is allowed to get indexed into the search engines. It's not preventing me. It's not telling me we can't index that because of. And this is the stuff I learned when I started using this manual process again of submitting my website's URLs to search engines, because years ago I thought I had something of quality. Now I know I have something of quality. It's a solid foundation. I have websites that are filled with information. They have substance. And now they are appealing to search engines because my work is, 1,000x better compared to 3, 4, 5 years ago. So let me show you the gradual growth. I started doing this at the end of June, and I was submitting a few here and a few there, going through the motions. It's a slow process, but to win big, no shortcuts, gradual growth, continue to gain new skills, perfect those skills, and understand the process to become an SEO expert, which I am. I'll go here, which one? Perfect example. This one's Bing Webmaster Tools. And you see the green, like I'm speaking about the index pages. See the green line? I'll start here. That was June 20th. I had 36 index pages. Oh, cool. I'm moving forward. 36 still. I hovered around the 30s for a while. Then you could tell I started to manually submit more unique, independent URLs because I started producing better quality work faster. I became very good at what I do. So now there's 43 indexed, 43, 45, 49, 55, 56, 58, and then it stops. With the search engine submission tools, you got to give it at least a full 90 days to get a good, analytics. I'm learning how to read these charts to my benefit so I can fix what search engine robots, when they crawl your code, your PHP, I get to fix it to increase the odds and the chances of all my website URLs to get indexed into the search engines. Okay, let's look at Google. No. Google. And I'm speaking about my income job for this example. But you see here, Sunday, June 12th, I had 33 indexed, 87 not. I move forward, 33 indexed. Then it starts rising. I started submitting new, unique independent individual URLs. 36 indexed, 40 indexed, 42 indexed, 63 indexed, 77 indexed, 89, and it goes up to 116. And I could show you more, but I just wanted to do a video to show you the gradual growth when you finally get to that stage of you're producing quality work and that hold a lot of substance. That substance, it's attractive to search engines because over the years they've weeded out a lot of bogus BS. They know who's producing quality content, quality work, following all the guidelines, using the right plugins, following procedures to increase the chances of getting all your websites, URLs indexed into the search engines, and the list goes on and on. But these charts are perfect to show you that I'm just starting out now. I know what my future holds with my websites. And yes, I am a YouTube partner, but Google AdSense separated. AdSense for content income revenue, I was earning like, 25 a year. Now I'm starting to earn pennies a day. That's how it starts. And they're keeping YouTube partner revenue separate. You can view them in the same account. However, you have to tell it which one you want to review. I know I'm just going to increase the odds of me earning more daily residual income each day. There you go. I hope you found the video interesting. I love it. Don't give up. This is amazing. This is the power that you can give yourself when you learn how to do everything yourself. It becomes easier. You make it look easy. And when you start becoming an expert, you make tasks look easier than they really are. In the beginning, I struggled. I struggled for years, but I knew I would get it eventually. And I love it. This is something you can do in the background. You could create an online presence in the background. All right, guys, stay tuned for future videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good one. Bye.